So, I'm Chris Leopard. This is probably going to be the first video I make for my YouTube. I'm not 100% sure how to start it. Only thing I know is I gotta go to the bank. I finally got snow. Let's go have some fun. It's slippery out here. Let's make it so we can see. Alrighty. Just watch the local town crew plow the neighbor street just over there, but as you can see, mine's not done. Whatever. Let's look at kind of a whiteout. Car. Cut. Western Pennsylvania, we have PennDOT that's supposed to clear the roads. It's 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Yeah, they haven't done anything. That's not a surprise. Not a surprise at all. Snow for a while, everybody has forgotten how to drive in the winter. Surprise.
Route safe drivers.
So after this video, you guys are going to have to tell me what you guys want to see, because I don't know what to make. Only thing I know how to do is I know how to drift, drive, and how to work on my cars. Probably haven't shown you anything in my other car. It's a 2006 WRX TR, STI 6-speed swap. I'm actually currently trying to sell it. I'm not in a good position. If anybody wants it, get a hold of me. I'm not selling it for that much at all. Now that I'm in town, you can see that nobody in town has plowed any of the roads either. Welcome to Western Pennsylvania, people. as you guys noticed, my YouTube's usually just playing on my car. I'm usually just playing any sorts of music, whatever comes on. If I don't like it, I change it. Love to be able to talk to you guys face on, but unfortunately I'm driving and I haven't set up another camera anywhere in here yet because most of my mounts continue to fall. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if sometime during this video you guys ended up falling down and I had to pick you back up. I've been waiting so long for it to snow. Like, so long. Yesterday, I almost put my drift spares on and went out. But no, we get a giant rainstorm and hail out of nowhere. So I have to switch them back. As soon as I switch them out, I switch them back. Yeah, I know it's snow. It's just not really, it's just more fun for me. Yes, I know it's easy to drift in the snow, but it also saves me a hell of a lot on tires. I'm just an average person like you. I barely have any money. So you guys understand how bad it actually is. My snow tires are 11 and 12 30 seconds in the rear. So it's kind of a blizzard and nobody's done anything. Wishing I didn't turn my camera off a second ago, because I just had his truck, snowplow truck, normal 2500 Dodge, salt in the bed, plow in the front, pull out in front of me completely sideways, almost couldn't recover it, couldn't recover it at all. It's pretty sketchy out here right now. Out here running without headlights. Great. That's brilliant.
Could I have your attention, please?
drive with me through the winter in the middle of our town. I'll be back here in a little bit. I gotta go into the bank.